So what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I want to talk about specifically the Gemini Credit Card. I currently have the Gemini Credit Card XRP edition, and I received some news today regarding the credit card that a lot of you guys are going to be excited about. I know that I am, and let's get right into it, all right? So I woke up today and I received an email from Gemini, and it stated this. All right, it said the holidays are here and your Gemini credit card just got even more rewarding. Earn 5% back in crypto on every purchase from November 26th to December 7th, up to $2,500 in spend. Then every category rates apply. Whether you're picking up gifts or treating yourself, it's the perfect time to use your Gemini credit card and make every swipe more rewarding. So right now, Gemini is advertising that you can get 5% back on everything. And this is going to be lasting for 12 days, up to $2,500 in spend. So if you have the Gemini Credit Card XRP edition, you could be earning 5% back in XRP with this credit card. If you have the Bitcoin, whatever cryptocurrency you have enrolled, you could be getting 5% back for the next 12 days, up to $2,500 in spend. As most of you guys are aware, you can earn 4% back XRP at gas, EV, and transit purchases. You can earn 3% back on dining, 2% back on groceries, and 1% back on everything else. But with this promotion that's going on right now, you can earn 5% back on all categories. It's a way to kind of give back and encourage people to spend on their card. Don't go just splurging what you can't pay back. This is actually really great news. I also received a notification on my phone earlier today around 2 o'clock that Gemini is advertising the 5% back, and that is amazing. You know, who doesn't want to get 5% back on every purchase for the next 12 days? But I definitely wanted to get this video out to you guys as soon as possible. If you are thinking about applying for the credit card, I will have a referral down in the description below. If you get approved, you can earn $50 in XRP, and I get $50 in XRP upon your approval. All right. And I also have a video on a step-by-step tutorial on how to apply for the Gemini Credit Card XRP edition. So if you haven't seen that yet and are thinking about applying for the card, I will have a link also at the top somewhere over here or on this side where you can go ahead and watch that video and apply for the card. All right, guys. So I hope this video helped you in any type of way. And let me know what you guys think of this card. Are you going to be applying for it? I want to hear what your opinion is. So I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.